Yes, my name is James Clark. There is lawless in America, and here's another reason why I may lose my freedom just to be heard. Miss Rachel O'Barr, in a filing to the Idaho State Supreme Court in Idaho, you are stating that I'm just filing bogus paperwork, and the Industrial Commission has not altered any medical or any kind of records and sent them back. Can you explain this right here? Let me see here if I can do this here. Well, it's not going to show it this time. Maybe I had it wrong. Here, just let me put it this way. Turn it around here. I'm going to get it here right. Oh, there it is. See this right here? That's alteration, Miss O'Barr. It says June 14th of 2012. But you're saying that the things that I'm sending to the Supreme Court are after August 1st of 2012. Well, you see, I have more of these kind of documents, and again, I can thank my domestic partner because she's the one that found those, because that's not what I was really looking at, now is it? Now, what are those records that you're saying? It's the report from Social Security. And isn't it true, Miss O'Barr, that you all have had these in your possession all along? Because I noticed there's some statements in here that you all used in your writings, in your format of writing, some of the wordings that's out of here. Because when I was looking at it the other day, I'm going, now wait a minute. That wording was said in a filing. Now, how can that be when these statements, also some of them, are stated in their findings of facts and conclusions of law that they published? But what they did again is they just took sections out of each filing to make it sound wrong. You know what I mean? Again, these are the things that I need to bring forth. But you see, what they want me to do is the Supreme Court and everybody, well, I'm not sure about the Supreme Court, but I know the clerk of the court, Steve Kenyon, of the Supreme Court, and the Industrial Commission, and Miss Rachel O'Barr from the law firm of Anderson, Julian Hall wants everyone to believe that they didn't have these records all along. Now, some of these statements were in their findings of facts and conclusions of law prior. Now, again, Mr. Lynn Luker / legislator, again, they had these in their records because they were sent back. But now, if you notice, though, where it is said, and where it is said at is that, yeah, how dare you all. You know, and I'm about ready to lose my freedom because I'm about ready to go back to Boise, Idaho, when I can dig up the money to be heard. And I'm going to take all this paperwork. Since they don't want me to be able to produce it because I am broke, but I'm going to get there, one way or another, and I will be heard. This is my life again, not your life that you're destroying and that you published, that are lies, Mr. Donahue, referee. Oh, I'm sorry, maybe I need to address you properly. The Honorable Judge Douglas A. Donahue, in your findings of facts and conclusions of law, and the lies that you put on there, and in there, and published, and you, as the commission as a whole, Mr. Baskin, and all you all, you're all covering up yourselves. Aren't you, Miss Rachel O'Barr? Again, from the law firm of Anderson, Julian Hall. You see, this is my life. If I don't stand up for myself, nobody will do it for me. That's why I'm about ready to lose my freedom.